If YouTube is not loading on Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll go step by step, starting with the easiest solutions first, so you can get YouTube working again without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. First, restart Google Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window, wait a few seconds, and then open the browser again. This may sound simple, but temporary browser glitches can stop YouTube from loading properly. After Chrome reopens, try opening YouTube again and see if the issue is gone. If YouTube still will not load, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and that your internet is working normally. You can test this by opening another website, like a news page or any other site you trust. If other websites are also slow or not loading, then the problem may be with your connection rather than Chrome or YouTube. If your internet seems fine, go back to YouTube and perform a hard refresh. Open YouTube in Chrome and press Ctrl plus F5. This forces the page to reload without relying on old cached files, and that can often fix loading issues caused by outdated page data. If that still does not solve it, the next step is to clear Chrome cache and cookies. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Then, change the time range to all time so Chrome removes everything that may be causing the problem. Once you've selected the right options, click Delete Data. Corrupted cache files or bad cookies can stop YouTube from loading properly, so this step is very important. After that, we need to make sure JavaScript is enabled in Chrome because YouTube requires JavaScript to load correctly. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. In the left menu, open Privacy and the Security, then click Site Settings. Scroll down until you find JavaScript and open it. Make sure the option that says Sites can use JavaScript is enabled. If JavaScript is turned off, YouTube may fail to load or may only show a blank page or broken layout. Once you've completed all of these steps, go back to YouTube and try again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue and get YouTube loading normally in Chrome. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.